What's good? Back with another YouTube video, man, with the bro, you feel me? At another big ass car meet. We somewhere in, where we at? Corona. We in Corona with it tonight, you feel me? Biggest car meet in Corona today, basically. Hella cars, build cars out there, you know. We about, oh damn. Damn, I just hit this little ass dog. Right with my knee. But anyway, man, we about to go see what these cars look like, man, and see what's popping, man. Other than that, let's get to it. Oh, this is what I'm talking about. Nigga, this is what I'm talking about. Tricart, man. No, it's 392. 392. So we gonna go this way? Man, we got tight shit. This thing clean. Ah. Got the caddy. Tight shit. Another little nice thing. This probably 392 too. Still fly though. Tight shit. Damn, I hope the quality good on this motherfucking, but hey, we about to see what this motherfucker looking like. We got the hood off this bitch.
That's the block. So you know whether it's a 572 or 660.
Tight shit.
And then the demons, they're yellow.
You think my car can beat this car? What y'all think? Oh yeah.
Look at Hellcat Chrysler.
Oh yeah.
Look at Hellcat Swap Chrysler. I'll show you right now.
Oh yeah, you already know what time it is. Oh. Oh. Oh, you know I gotta go to the Hellcat. Oh. They got the shit out here. You know I gotta go to the cat. The Hellcat swap. Cat swap.
That's what I want.
Smooth. Boy, cat swapped that motherfucker. That's one of the first cat swaps I seen in Cali. For my eyes though. They got some shit popping up over there. Damn. Woo. Woo. That's some other type V8. That's that V12, man. Hell no. He tripped out.
Show some love on the page. Show some love. What's up, guys? What's up, boys?
We gotta be in a mix. That's the mix over there, though. You got the Mero over there? Anyway, back to this side. We on a different side. You talking about the 5.0? So what? What's your YouTube?
LaDarren Vlogs Cars.
Darren Flies Cars?
LaDarren.
Darren?
LaDarren Vlogs Cars.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, y'all go over there and subscribe to his YouTube channel. Go fuck with it. You already know, my boy.
Bro.
Most definitely. You got a whip?
Yeah, bro.
What you got?
My X5 right here, bro.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Type shit.
It's smooth shit. Fuck it.
What you got, bro?
Shit, I got a Chrysler.
Chrysler 300.
Yeah, 300 type shit. Slightly
in it.
Huh?
You put up in it.
Yep.
Tight.
It's over there. That shit slightly built though. Type shit. Hell yeah.
This your first time out here and shit, or what?
Shit to this one, yeah.
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 Shout your Instagram.
These niggas over here doing a photo shoot and shit. They got some clean whips though. Photo shoot. You see me over there, Mikhail? Got the whippy over there. Type shit. Man, we missing all the pops. I don't know, it's pops everywhere. Type shit. That's the end of that. They got the chopper outside. Tight shit. That's the end of that. We about to get up out of here.